Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to create accordion using Beaver Builder. So let's do that. First of all, we need to create a page first. Then inside the page, you can see at the top of the admin panel the Beaver Builder option. So this is our page where we would like to add accordion using Beaver Builder. So I'm just going to click Beaver Builder option. So let's click on it. Once you click on it, you can see your Beaver Builder options are coming up. Yeah, you can see it's over there now. Just go to the right side section and you can see the plus symbol over there. Just click on plus symbol first. Once you click on plus symbol, you can see there are multiple modules are coming up. So just scroll down and see the layout section. There is option called accordion. So we just need to drag and drop. Okay, but always we need to do one thing before use any modules. We need to uh, take a row first. So this is our one column row. So just to take this row first. After that, go to the module option over there. Then drag your accordion and drop over there. Okay. So in this section, okay, let's remove this. Okay, in this section, we will use our accordion. You can see inside the row, we just added our accordion options over there. We can full width. Once we click on row, you can see the option called width fixed. You can select full width so that it will be full width. You can see, okay, it's full width. Okay, you need as you can manage as per your need. So I'm just save the changes and now add our accordion options. Okay, so once we click on it, you can see the accordion is coming up and there is only one item. So just edit item one. So this is the level for the title one. I would like to use some dummy text. Lorem ipsum is simply dummy text, something like this. And just scroll down, you can see the type of the custom content. You can choose your template, column, module and rows as well, but we will use only custom content. So you just add your content over there. Okay, lorem ipsum is simply dummy text. I'm just copy and paste it. Okay, here you can use your content, whatever your content you just put over there. Okay, so I'm just, so one item has been added over there, you can see. So like this way we can add your multiple items. One, you can just copy, just duplicate your items and you just change as per your need. Okay, you just change this one. Okay, like this way you can easily change your title and your content. And again you just duplicate, duplicate and duplicate. Now save the changes and done, and after that just publish the changes. Okay, now you can see your accordion section has been done, but the design doesn't looks good. Okay, so we need to put some css, put some style. We can easily add our style using Beaver Builder, or you can add your style from custom css. Okay, so let's do the design from your Beaver Builder options. So I'm just going to click the settings again and go to the style option. You can see, now you can see the item size is small. You can, this is the label for this one. Text color should be whatever you need. You just need to change your text as well. Okay, you can Okay, and font size, you can manage your font size as well. You can see I'm just increasing the font size as well to 14, sorry, 18. The text color is this one. Let's save the changes. Now you can see, okay, the text color is changed. You can add your background color as well. Okay, so go to the style section again, and inside the label you can see the text color and the background color. You can choose the background color as per your need. Okay, you can see using this I can easily add your background as well. Okay, whatever you, so you can see I'm just added a background color like this way. And also you can scroll down and you can see the position of your icons. The plus icon is right. Okay, so icon position, if you would like to move this icon to the left, so that just select left option, then you can see the plus and minus symbol is in the left, but it should be always right actually. Okay, you can also change your icon as well. Okay, now the content color you can also change. Content color should be black or whatever your design module you can add. You can add your padding and margin as well. Font size you should increase or decrease or whatever. So for now I'm just selecting 14. Okay, this would be normal. Let's see. Now once you click on the plus symbol, you can see your accordion content is coming up, but there should be some padding at the top. So go to the beaver builder option again and go to the style option over style settings. Okay, style and the content. Okay, content. So now we will use content and add our content padding. Let's do 10, the top margin padding top. Then save the changes. Okay, before save the changes, we would like to increase the font size a little bit, 16. Okay, then save the changes. Okay, one more thing also, let's try to change the plus and minus symbol. Okay, go to the icons option over there. Icon is plus, replace. Click on replace option. Now you can see, okay, this option you can also choose this, and the minus we can change with this. Okay, and then save the changes and done. After that, publish. So once you publish, just refresh the page again and see how it is. Now you can see your icon is down arrow. Once you click on it, it should be up arrow. Now you can also see the padding top is over there. Okay, so it looks like this. You can change the design as per your need. You can change the background color as well. You can change the text color as well. So using this method we can easily create an accordion using beaver builder